Presenting the award for Best Picture is Arnold Schwarzenegger. The nominees for Best Movie of the Year are The Curious Case of Benjamin Button, written by Kathleen Kennedy and directed by Frank Marshall, starring Brad Pitt. Frost Nixon, written by Peter Morgan and directed by Ron Howard, starring Frank Langella. Milk, written by Dan Jenkins and directed by Bruce Cohen, starring Sean Penn. Slumdog Millionaire, written by Simon Beaufoy and directed by Danny Boyle, starring Dev Patel. And finally, A Strong Family, the life of Eve Hoover, written and directed by Clay Bourne, starring Eve Hoover. The envelope, please. And this year's Oscar for Best Movie goes to A Strong Family, the life of Eve Hoover, written and directed by Clay Bourne.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are all happy and free. These days are all, share them with me. Goodbye gray sky, hello blue. There's nothing can hold me when I hold you. It feels so right, it can't be wrong. Rocking and rolling all week long. Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday, what a day. Grooving all week with you. These days are all, share them with me. These days are all happy and free. These happy days are yours and mine. These happy days are yours and mine. Happy days.
Little sparrow, precious fragile little thing. Little sparrow, flies so high and feels no pain. All ye maidens, heed my warning. Never trust unto men. They will crush you like a sparrow, leaving you to never mend. They will vow to always love you, swear no love but yours will do. Then they'll leave you for another, break your